with you. Ground control to Major Tom, you've really made the grade. Papers want to know whose shirt you wear. It's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, floating in the most peculiar way. The stars look very different today. And here am I, floating in my tin can, far above the world. Planet is blue. Young man agreed he would satisfy the need, so they danced for his pleasure with a joy you could not measure. You wait for him here, the same place every year, beneath the sheltering sky. Across the desert he would fly, tea in the Sahara with you, tea in the Sahara with you, tea in the Sahara. Highway patrol chopper comes up over the ridge, hot soup by a campfire under a bridge. Shelter queue stretches round the corner. Welcome to the New World Order. People sleeping in their cars in the southwest. No job, no home, no peace, no rest. Highway is alive tonight. Everybody knows where it goes. Sitting down here in the campfire light, searching for the... It's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, I'm a rocket man. Rocket man, burning out his fuse while here alone. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. Everybody. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. Otra vez. Think it's gonna be a long, long time. Mars ain't the kind of place to raise your kids. In fact, it's cold, cold as hell. There's no one there to raise them, even if you did. Around for a long, long year, stole many a man's soul and his faith. I was there when Jesus Christ had his moment of doubt and pain. Made damn sure the pilot washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you, hope you got my name. What's puzzling you? It's the nature of my game.